Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name's Hermione and I am staying in the best Airbnb I've ever stayed in my whole life. I'm currently in Busan, South Korea for a mini break. I wanted to take a little time out of my schedule to look at some cool Airbnbs and I picked this one and it's incredible. If I'm being a little bit quiet in this video, it's because I ended up bringing my friend with me and we're having a really good time here. But I wanted to film half of this video early on and I didn't want to disturb her sleeping. So sorry if I've been a little bit quieter than usual. It's not gonna kill me to be quiet, is it? Oh hey, it's me, popping in really quickly to let you know that today's video is very kindly being sponsored by Discord. I love Discord, I've been using it myself personally for years, and we have recently set up a Discord server so that this community can have a place to chat and to get to know each other and to talk about all of the kind of things that we love. I'm popping in sporadically to chat, but I'm also doing some live sessions. If you'd like to join me, I would absolutely love that. I had a really nice time talking with you guys last time, so do check in at this time and date. I'm trying to figure out the best time to do it because everyone's asleep half the time. So I'm gonna put it on screen. Discord is a really great way to chat with online communities or your friends. There are loads of ways to communicate, like voice channels, stages, and just typing to each other. On my server, I've set up topics that I think you might be interested in, like thrifting. We've also just set up one for cute pets. So please, please, please send me pictures of your cute pets so I can live vicariously through you until I can get a golden retriever of my own. Thank you very much. I'm having so much fun chatting to you guys, so I hope to see you there. And with that being said, let's get back into the video. Okay, so here is the front door, and as you turn around, you're not ready for this. Look at this. This is the Airbnb. This is an atrium area and it is literally stunning, and mainly the reason why I booked this Airbnb in particular. As you can see at the top, there's a beautiful glass ceiling. It lets in so much light. I really like this light fixture as well. So this section has windows that come all the way through. This is the bathroom area and it's got curtains. This is the sitting room and that's the bedroom. It looks so beautiful at night as well. I'm gonna put in a few clips of what it looks like. I really cannot get over this space. And you know me, I love my plants. There are so many plants in here. It makes me so happy. It feels really like an outdoor space. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna say this a lot, but I want to live here. And I particularly want to live here because I want to sit in that chair and drink coffee and read a book every morning. That is the goal. I don't know if you can hear, but the birds are outside and it's quite noisy because the windows are open. But that's also a roof terrace, which we will go and have a look at in a minute. A roof terrace. This place is amazing. And I also cannot explain to you guys how good it smells in here. The Airbnb hosts have been very good at creating like an atmosphere. It smells good, it looks good. This is an entire experience. So let's go through into the main house. So let's start on the right hand side. This is the sitting area. The couch is so beautiful. I love it and it's super comfortable as well. I really love what they've done with the place. They've styled it so nicely. I love the print as well, and I really like that they've played with white space and they haven't centered everything, which is not something I tend to do in my own home, but I feel like I should because it looks really good. Other than the very comfy couch and coffee table, there's also a bookcase in here and a speaker system. This was playing as I entered and it was so nice. I really like the songs that they chose for this as well. I love what they've done with this section. I think it's really interesting. I love the art. I love how it's all aligned off center. The light is so cozy in the evening, and one thing I really like is this. That is very, very cool. and I would like one of those in my house. Thank you. They've provided lots of books to read and activities to do. This book is really interesting. I've had a flip through that. This wall is empty, but that's because there's a projector. I feel like it's so much better than a TV. I forgot to mention one of my favourite things in the sitting room is this mirror and the plant that's next to it. I think that's really sweet and it really brightens the space up. Anyway, that's the living room area. As you turn around to the left, we have the kitchen. There's a dining table in the centre and the kitchen behind it. I really love this light fixture above the dining room table. I think it looks really nice and ties the whole place in together. But what I love most of all is that the Airbnb hosts added so many personalised touches, including an Instax camera, which you've been able to take some pictures with, some bamboo toothbrushes, a Lush bath bomb. I will show you what that's for in a minute. But let's run through the kitchen first because it's so cute and I love it. I want this to be my kitchen. The storage is in this corner and I really love the sink. I think the tap is really beautiful and I love how they've styled that little section there. Minus the frosted flakes, but I really appreciate that they've left us cereal and coffee and all kinds of things for us to have. Thank you, Airbnb host. There's a range of different coffee machines, anything that you could want to make coffee. A cute little shelf with mugs. And I really like the window. I like the way they've styled it with a few little decor pieces. But what I love most of all is the mini fridge. Isn't it cute? It still fits quite a reasonable amount of stuff. Does it or does it not remind you of my pink fridge? Slightly. I mean, I think it does. I love it and I would totally have one of these in a small apartment. I love that they have these open shelving spaces. I think it's really interesting to see all the plates and cups. They've done a really nice job of picking some really pretty ones. And that's really it for the kitchen. So let me show you the bathroom area, which is over here. So as you come in, there's no door to this section. There's just a sink and a mirror, and they put some really nice smelling products in here, which I really like. Hello, good morning. To the right of the sink, there is a separate room with a toilet. But as you turn around, this is the selling point of the Airbnb. Yeah, that's like a miniature swimming pool. I don't think it's actually a hot tub, but it looks kind of like a hot tub. It's incredible. I really want to try this evening. Oh, it's a bit echoey in here. As you can see, it's actually quite big. I think it takes between 1 to 2 hours to fill, so that's going to be a whole ordeal, but I'm very excited about it. Look at the little plants in the background as well. I really like that they've decorated it. Over to the left there are a few showers and they've put some Lush bath products in here as well. Also, that's what the bath bomb is for. I cannot get over this, and it looks into the courtyard. It's just, I mean, can I please have this house? Can I live here? I think I've unlocked a new goal in life, and it's to live in a house like this. Anyway, that is the swimming pool room. So let's move on. As you come into the bedroom, this is what it looks like. And there's not much in here to talk about, but it's very comfortable. It smells incredible. It's very cozy at night. But obviously, as always, the main talking point is the window. I just can't get over it. It's honestly such an incredible feature to have this as you wake up in the morning, and it lets so much light into the whole home. Here's another angle so you can see it better. I just love the plants and this view so much. I will never shut up about it. They have kept the bedroom quite plain, but there's a couple of things in here that look cute. Like this poster by the door. They've got a little bonsai up at the top there. And this guy is quite a nice vibe in the evening. We're coming to the end, but I've saved one of the best things for last. Let's go up to the roof terrace and I'll show you my second favourite thing about this Airbnb. So as you come here and open the door, there's a set of stairs that goes all the way up to the top. At the top we have this canvas and another little plant friend. And are you ready for this? I'm not, clearly. Which way does it go? There we go. Oh my god, it's windy. Might have to do this as a voiceover.
It was in fact far too windy for you to hear me, but this is what the roof terrace look like. As you can see, it's a huge space and they've decorated this quite nicely as well with some string lights and plants and a table that's made of cinder blocks. Unfortunately, it was too wet to eat out here because it had been raining both nights, so we didn't get to enjoy it, but hopefully maybe I can come back one day.
So that's it, that is the Airbnb. I will need to leave here kicking and screaming because I want to live here. This is my future home, I have decided. What was your favourite thing about this Airbnb? Let me know in the comments below. Mine was obviously the courtyard atrium kind of space in the middle. Also, let me know in the comments what is the best Airbnb experience you've ever had. Did you do some kind of unique stay? Tell me about it, I'd love to know. And with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care and bye.